Let's draw an easy dog together. Grab your pens and let's get started. Start with an oval shape for the ear and a curved line for the top of the head. Great job! Take your time. Next, draw a curved line for his face. You can pause the video anytime. Draw 2 circles for the eyes. And let's give him a cute nose. Draw a line from the nose. And then 2 curved lines to the sides. Remember, you can pause the video anytime. Let's add some detail to the eyes. Wait for it, his face is about to look so cute. Draw a line down from the face for the legs. Look at those cute paws. Draw 2 wiggly lines for a fluffy tummy patch. Now let's add some nostrils. Well done, guys. Pause anytime. I'm going over the outline so he pops off the page. Now watch the eyes come to life. Did you see that? Leaving a white dot made the eyes pop. You can pause anytime and use your favorite colors. Now watch him come to life when we color. Take your time and choose any color you like. Pause, rewind, or save the video for later. Almost finished. Are you ready? Amazing! Well done! Now your puppy needs a friend. Tap here to draw an easy cat.